Skjól, meaning shelter. Sky Lagoon's signature journey guides you through Icelandic bathing culture. With every step, you'll discover a new invitation to invigoration, each with its own Icelandic name. Here's what each skjól step means and what to expect. Laug, meaning lagoon. Our geothermal waters welcome you with warmth and views over the North Atlantic. Settle in, enjoy a drink from Gjalmir Bar, and marvel at the stunning coastal sights that have inspired Icelanders for generations. Kuldi, meaning cold. Dip into the waters of the cold plunge, built as a perfect replica of Iceland's historic Snorralaug spring. Here, we pay tribute to the resilience of our ancestors who chose to embrace our island's elements. Ylur, meaning warmth. Two quiet saunas greet you at Sky Lagoon, our classic picturesque sauna on the ocean's edge, and a device-free sauna where you can disconnect and unwind entirely. The choice is yours. Súld, meaning drizzle. Re-energize in our all-encompassing cool mist. Close your eyes as you imagine the crisp Icelandic winds and morning air that inspired this stop on your journey. Mýkt, meaning softness. Take inventory of your senses as you exfoliate. Feel the gentle touch of our signature Sky body scrub. Listen to the soothing streaming water. Breathe in the refreshing scent of the sea. This is a moment worth cherishing. Gufa, meaning steam. Return to warmth once more. Designed to evoke the vapors that rise from the earth, our steam room opens your pores and enhances the healing effects of our signature scrub. Saft, meaning juice. This krækiber elixir, made from the crowberries that dot Iceland's lava field, acts as a final toast to your skjól journey. Take it in, welcome the lasting benefits, and let the flavor linger.